vlogging people because some of these people are a little weird, but they had to do an extra little security screen on me and check my bag. I had some hot Cheetos in there, so I think that's what went off on the security thing. But my boyfriend, he just told me to come meet him. They just landed. I landed earlier than them, so I'm just gonna take my hat down. So I put on a hat too, because my hair, like the little flyaways, was just flying, and obviously I don't have nothing to fix it. I don't have any way to fix it. So he said 14. Mine's is the last one, the last carousel. So that's 13 or 14 might be on this side. I think the even numbers, yeah. So yeah, I'm just waiting on them. Well, actually, I gotta get to the other terminal to meet up with them. And yeah, it's about to be lit. I'm so tired. I'm not tired. I just want to take a shower. That's what I really want to do. Shower. So yeah, but it's not much to see. Here's just the airport. Not much to see. So, but I know I didn't know it was a Legoland here. I don't know if they just built that here, but I'm definitely gonna tell my brother about that. Let me find my luggage. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Y'all, so I'm like, I don't know how to work this project. Oh, there go the radio. So we are gonna head to our hotel. We got the cars. It is so hot, y'all. I think my wig is sweating. That's why I got on his head. But so they don't. My boyfriend already like to drive fast, and they don't let him get a freaking Lamborghini. So I know this guy's gonna be speeding. But I think his friend's on his red. I didn't even really look at his car. I think it's red, but this one is orange. But one of my outfits that I'm wearing is red. So I want to take a picture on his car because it goes with my outfit. So yeah, I gotta straighten my hair, flat out my hair and stuff when I get to the hotel. Probably gonna go and get something to eat. But yeah, so babe, I want to be on the vlog today. This trip. He want to be more active. And I don't know if I made this clear because I know y'all probably like confused, like, oh, she was just saying she got a boyfriend now. This is my same boyfriend who I used to talk about before. We just had a break. We broke up. I'm not gonna say a break because it wasn't like that. We broke up, but now we're back together and making things work. So just so y'all be like, oh, she got a new boyfriend. She already got a new boyfriend. No, this is my same piece. And we're just now making it work back together and stuff. So yeah. But I'll talk to y'all when I get to my hotel room. Y'all just pray for me. I'm just trying to get back home safely to my family. That's all. I don't need nobody speeding. We in free today, no speeding.
What's up me having this call when I'm on speed? What are you talking about?
He got his friends back there. They speeding too. No, this is not about. Yeah, Dubai is about to be lit.
So raise the film.
I need a thumbnail. We're supposed to do an upgrade tomorrow. Well, the room's supposed to be available. Our other room's supposed to be available tomorrow. It's not ready. Obviously, I wasn't supposed to be here, so. But let me just show y'all. So this is the kitchen area. There's nothing in this fridge but 2 waters. So we're gonna try to let them get cold. This is our living room area. This is a mirror. Okay, body tees. Somebody asked me at the thing, what's my butt real? I tell him, boy, bye. living room area, TV. This is our little dining area. This is a guest bathroom. And I'm going to be doing my makeup in here. My boyfriend already told me to set my makeup up in here because I can't do it in the other bathroom. So, and this is our bedroom. We haven't unpacked yet. He's in the main bathroom, so I'm going to take y'all on the balcony. So let me move this out the way. Okay, obviously at our hotel they're doing some construction across the street, but we still got a good view of like the drive. And obviously tomorrow our room will be better. But yeah, so they don't come out the bathroom. I'm recording. Yeah, I know. And yeah, and then he's in the bathroom. And our little TV, and then we got another little mirror right here. So all these mirrors I'm very, very happy about. But yeah, let me zoom out. But yeah, so this is our room for today. So your girl about to take some, good thing like this couch is so cute because I'm about to take some fire Instagram pictures. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower, relax a little bit, and I'm gonna meet up with our friends later. Like everybody just getting in, like literally. So we just gonna get unpacked, and yeah, y'all stay tuned for part 2 of this Dubai vlog. So I'm gonna try to get this up today if I'm not too tired tonight. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on part 2, so stay tuned. So guys, we are out for the day. I just did my brows, but I still don't know how to open this car door. Oh, there. Yeah, I am. So I did a little something in my. Let's see my face. I did some brows and I put on my natural lashes. Quiet Storm. If you want to order these lashes, www.internationallashes.bigcracktail.com. Oh my god. I should have brought out one of them hand towels from the thing because my face looks orange. I even forgot how hot this place can be. Like, it is so hot. Look at my face. Look at my roof. Look at my roof. That's why I knew I wasn't putting on the whole face makeup. I just put on some little lashes and some little eyebrows just to be decent out here in these streets. But, oh, it is so hot. So, my boyfriend, he in Starbucks getting me an iced coffee. Got me some water. You're going to have to keep me some water in Dubai. I'm going to probably make a video on one thing she needs to. I got some ice. I'll probably do a video on things that you need to do to prepare for Dubai, or things that you need to keep when you're in Dubai. Keep you some sunglasses, dress like me. Like I look fat right now, but I got on this little sports bra and these little tights. And it's actually the bottom tights came like that and put anything on under. People looking in this car like, who is this girl talking to? And I'm vlogging. You said, well, yeah, it is. It is too fast. Like, it's already fast and he wanted me speeding. I told him I just want to make it back home. That's it. Y'all don't have anything planned for tonight?
Not tonight. What do you got tonight? Oh, we're going to take the day party as well.
Okay.
See how that goes.
Alright.
So, oh my God.
I just was saying, I was just...